Our Mac drive is corrupted. Now we are replacing our Mac drive. It's called M.2 SSD. Uncovering Mac. This is our old SSD M.2 drive. We are replacing it. Using a star screwdriver. Just pull upwards. Installing new one. Push it in the slot. Now screw it. Start now. After installing our drive, power off Mac and press Command R. By pressing Command R after starting your Mac, you will take this to internet recovery. Now your OS will recover from internet. As you can see, globe is moving and the bar is loading. After pressing Command R, internet recovery option will occur and select your Wi-Fi. After selecting your Wi-Fi, you will see a globe loading and a bar is loading. Now you can see Apple logo, it will load. After loading, a window will occur. First of all, you will select this utility. This drive is new, so select the drive and erase it to Mac. Now close this. Then select Wi-Fi again. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now reinstalling macOS using internet recovery. Installing macOS High Sierra. Continue. macOS High Sierra. Terms and condition. Agree. Select your drive. Install. About 16 minutes remaining. This will load the whole process of 15 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends upon your Wi-Fi connection. I will fast forward the video for you. 2 minutes remaining. After downloading, it will install, and also it will take about 15 to 30 minutes. After completing download, now it will install OS. Installing, about 11 minutes remaining. Our installation is almost complete. Select your region. Select your region and select continue. Select your keyboard. I am not selecting Wi-Fi right now. Why doesn't the computer connect? Continue. 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 Don't transfer any information right now. Continue. Terms and condition. Agree. Agree. Select your name. Type your name, type your password, continue. Creating account. Express setup. Select continue. Setting up your Mac. Our installation is done. As you can see, macOS High Sierra is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.